Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can do with your subscription within your channel by able to copy, paste, and download it on Excel so that you can manage it properly or you can look at it. So if you're not interested, you can just sign off. But if you want to know how to copy, paste, and download your subscription on Excel sheet, you can stick around. So for you to be able to do what I'm going to show you, you need a few things that you make sure that you do have. You need an Excel. You need to have a keyboard because you need to be able to do a Control C, which is to copy an information that you selected on your screen. And you need to be able to do a Control V, which is to download that information that's in the clipboard onto your Excel. You also need to have a mouse. A mouse is what you're going to use to highlight the data or the information that you want to copy, which is you're going to Control C, that you later on going to download or dump into your Excel file. Okay, so let's get started. So first you go to your channel. On the left side of your channel is your subscription. You can see the subscription. The first thing you want to do is you want to expand it so you have all your subscriptions showing up. Okay, next step is you point on the left side. You put your cursor on the left side of the word subscription and then click on the left button of your mouse and don't let go. So now you're highlighting all this data or this information, which is your subscription. So you're selecting, we're currently selecting what we want to copy. So we're selecting all this information that we eventually going to download into our Excel. So you highlight all of them until you reach the end. And don't let go prematurely because you will not capture all the data that you need. So you don't let go until you go to the end. So I'm at the end. You see I'm highlighting too much information. I'm going to slowly move my cursor up until I'm on the last subscription channel that I have in my channel. Okay, now you need to do is Control C to copy it. And then you want to go ahead and Control V, which is dumping the data onto your Excel. Control V. There you have it. But you notice it's so messed up and dirty, right? It's hard to read. So I'm going to show you a better way to dumping it on your Excel by first changing the format. So I want to make sure I have a better width. And let me go back here and I make sure I have a better height. Now I'm going to go back to the browser. You have to do Control C again because you just lost all those memories from the clipboard. So when you do Control C, it basically storing all this information on your clipboard. So it's in your RAM. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back to my Excel and I'm gonna do a Control V, which is releasing all those information from your clipboard onto this Excel. So you're dumping the data. Control V. It's downloading all the stuff. You see it's cleaner. And I'm just gonna go and align it, all this thing to the right, so it's even cleaner. See, align to the right. And I think I want to make the font bigger so I can see it more. That's too much. I think 14. 14 is good. I probably want to highlight this so I know that's a field. And I'm going to do a freeze paint. Okay. Now I'm going to compare this to the very first download that we did. So I'm going to use snipping tool. Right, go here and you can see the difference between the first download that we did and the new one that I did. Okay, so let's close this. Now in addition to downloading all the names of the channel, you actually also downloaded the hyperlink. What's the hyperlink? The hyperlink is it's a shortcut to opening a a web page based on the link. So let's open Jean's journey, because I go to her channel a lot. It's a him and her. It's a couple, a Korean uh, woman and a Filipino guy. So if you click this, it will actually open their page. See? Now I can visit her or them without going to my YouTube channel by just using the download that I just created. So I can go to their videos, I can go to their playlists, I can go to their community, I can go to the other people that they subscribe to. So I can go all that. I can do all that, and then I can open some of the videos, right? And you can see they're actually live right now. They're doing probably silent LS. Okay. So going back to the spreadsheet, why you want to download? You want to download because you want to be able to manage your subscription, and also you want to help yourself with some information. So you can put comments in here, comments, and you can do ranking also. If there's something you want to do, we can do whatever you want because you already have the data in front of you. So I'm just gonna copy the format, right? And I like to center my headings or my field. So because I visit their channel, so I have information about them. So I know this is a Filipino channel. Right? I know they have Filipino games going. Okay. Plus prices, of course. Yeah, they have Filipino games. And they talk about food. Okay, so you can have some information, just give you a quick description of what each channel is. So you have to go through here. I'm probably gonna go through only probably top 20 that I go to and put in, and then you can do some ranking. It's your preference. So next time you can just go into you can call this your subscription YouTube channel guide, right? Because it's like a guide they tell you, so you can put more information in here, and then you can actually do a filter, right? If you want to do filter by ranking, right, you can go, and I'm just gonna put in here by number, right? So you can go, okay, what's number one, and then if you can put all kind of information in here. So this one you can probably say whatever each channel represent. So if I'm in this population, so for example, let's say this is mine, because my channel is about vacation, so I would put here cruise vacation. Okay, I also do a lot of things in Hawaii vacation, right? So you can do also travel and vacation if you want. You can do your own category, right? Travel, oops, slash vacation. You can do whatever you need, right? You can also do, because I show a lot of things how to do things, like what I'm doing now is how to do things, right? So you can manage your subscriptions, put label and comments and ranking. So it's a useful information, especially if you spend a lot of time on YouTube. Okay, if you think this information is helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click this notification, those bell, right? I want to make sure you want to get updated. If you feel I wasted your time, give me a thumbs down, or I didn't give you enough information, give me a thumbs down. But please do, when you have a thumbs down, please leave a comment, because I like to take those as an opportunity to improve the video that I'm presenting to you guys. Okay, so please subscribe, thumbs up, and hit that bell. Thank you very much, and thank you for watching.